Let's make a hot chocolate brownie. Today I'm going to show you how to make this rich, gluten-free brownie from start to finish. Inspired by your favorite cozy cup of hot chocolate, but with a little kick. With simple ingredients and easy steps, you'll get that fudgy, melt-in-your-mouth center and that classic crackly top we all love. It's soft on the inside, perfectly crisp on the outside, and packed with just the right amount of spice and heat. I'm going to start by mixing our butter and our chocolate. And I've melted the chocolate already, and I've melted my butter, and we're making a ganache. I'm making butter and chocolate. That up until it's nice and blended. Stir. I want to add my sugar. Start with 1 egg. I'll beat it on high for about 60 seconds. Now I want to add my flour, and I'm using Frankie's gluten-free all-purpose flour blend. My coffee granules or instant coffee. And then I've got cinnamon, cayenne pepper, which is going to give us that little bit of heat, and some salt. Oh, it smells so good in here. Make sure everything is really nicely mixed. This right in. This brownie took 45 minutes in my oven. Your oven might be slightly different, so do keep an eye on it. And I'm really excited to sink my teeth into this. And it just makes it easier to slice into the brownie. Let's go right into the middle. That.